fuck, Rome? What are you doing there? I got his head. How did you end up there?
Fuck, I was nearly in the skis.
What's that there as well? That's nothing to do. That's nothing to do with you, is it?
Yeah, my goggles just rubber.
No, where are they to? That's not your goggles. No, it's a rugby ball. That's just a rugby ball. Can't find your goggles. Where's his goggles? No, that's a football. Where are they to? Huh? I can't see them.
What's over there? Is that it?
That's a rugby ball. Oh, you are? You're there. Did you?
The wave come back on me, I hit the side of it and it just took me that way.
Right, you know. They just need to be clipped back into the frames.
You got me.
I got your head. I got your head. Right, you know. They must have had a wicked view of that. No, I didn't. I was looking at the football and I looked and thought, what the fuck's going on? No one's on the ski. I'm like, where's Romeo gone? Well, I'll come back now and sort you out. What's wrong, Stu? It was?
Yeah.
Yeah, I reckon it was.
It's fucking back to over it. It's all around the dipstick and that was stuck out.
Yeah, that's why it's come up the top, haven't it?
Of course, with it fucking flat out, you get a lot of
blowback. Yeah, you get a lot of.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Literally, sent me the other way, lost the balance.
No. I drive that, Nick.
Oh, fuck! No, you were alarm glad I didn't hit anyone.
I was looking at the football and I looked up, I thought, what the fuck is all that over there?
You just done that, flicked them straight off.
You know,
Yeah,
you
'cause
must
I
be
hit
freezing. You cold now?
Just my legs.
You know.
Yeah, alright, your skis alright, that's the main thing.
Well, yeah,
Yeah.
I felt myself skim.
There's the total of the wets you got after that.
You're a pee, Stuart. He's going in a peeing Hall of Fame.
You know what? It's not even that cold.